So now we will compare Webflow with some popular website builder on the internet. So first of all, we will compare it with WordPress, which is a well-known website builder on the internet. So as compared to WordPress, Webflow doesn't offer any third-party plugin support, but that makes Webflow very easy to use and also keeps our website secure. Meanwhile, third-party plugin is very risky to use because of security issues in WordPress. So if your data is not secure, sometimes if you are using a not a well-known plugin in your project. And Webflow is very well optimized. It's load the website very fast itself. In the other hand, WordPress also loads websites part, but you have to add some manual effort to the settings and the plugins. And Webflow offers direct customer support as a paid feature. Meanwhile, WordPress doesn't offer any direct customer support for any customer, but you can find community support very easily on the Stack Overflow or on Reddit. And WordPress got a huge plugin library, which makes it a bit complicated to use. And you have to rely on plugins for small features. On the other hand, Webflow's plugin library is limited, which makes things very simpler and easy to build.